how to mark the attendance in WordPro. Okay, for that, let's start our ERP. Visit to the ERP with the new IP address. Please note down this IP address, this newly assigned. Okay, we log in. Okay, after successful login, now let's very first thing, please verify that your session plan is ready and will be imported over here. Academic module, central module, program schedule, and then okay, before this, you should go to the timetable, utility, syllabus migration, and hope your your session plan is ready with you. Hourly session plan. Okay, here in the BCN, and choose that file and please upload. Okay, for example, anyone. So here is the sample format. If you download the sample format, okay, you download this sample format for your use. And if you open this sample format, it look like this. Very simple. It is session wise. Okay, unit number, topic, and keep it 1 hour session over here. Rest of the things are 0, 0. One sample from DSA. Okay, observe this. Unit introduction, and this is the topic wise bifurcation for 1 hour session. In this way, you prepare the session plan. So I think subject coordinator will do this task, and once subject coordinator uh, is ready, so that subject coordinator will do this task and choose that file and migrate it. After migration, the syllabus is already entered. Okay, now the other faculty members have the responsibility to do this one. Academic module, central, copy program rule, go to this one, your branch, section, show, and please update this. So copy that everything to this operation is mandatory for that. Now after that, we will see how to mark the attendance. Okay, so now session plan is ready. It is entered. Now Rishikesh Joshi sir will tell this. So go to the employee. First, go to the academic, then go to the planning, then lesson plan day wise. Select your subject, and here topic was detail. This topic was detail is coming from your session plan. Okay, 1 hour session plans. Okay, and these are the dates coming from timetable. So now let's mark for 8th July attendance. So for this, we need to map the topic, okay, for this date. So let's say select for planning, click over here, and signal conversion. So only one topic is selected from this. Please update it. Okay, okay, fine. Close this below average, and then click here. Go for scrolling, scroll button. Okay, properly go these 3 lines, scroll, click on scroll, student mark attendance, and that was the day, I think 8th July, show. Now after clicking to show, the all session listed in that day will be listed over here. Now on 8th July, only one session is listed. Now look out the 5th July. The 2 sessions are listed. Okay, and out of which one is locked. Okay, one is locked and his color coding is given here, marked, locked, whatever thing. Okay, and this session is not locked. This session is not yet marked. They are presently. Got it? So all day wise sessions are listed here. So don't get confused. Okay. Now go to the our 8th July and show. So only one session is listed. Now click here and here we go for marking attendance. Let's all absent or present. Okay. Now let's mark. Actually, if you see this button is toggle. If you single click it, it will mark absent. If you again another click, it will toggle to see work. If you click it, it is again present. So it is toggle between the three different states. Okay. So now 4 is absent, right? 4 is absent. Okay. 17 is absent. Next 26 is absent. Down the line over here, 26 is absent. 28 is absent. Next 29 is absent. 31 is absent. And 35 is absent. Okay. In this way, you just mark, and here bottom left, you will see the topic icon. Select this one and which topic you have taught and cover. What is the difference between this? Now, suppose this topic is in a continuation and it is not yet finished. So select only taught it. So in the next session, you will going to be convert, you will going to be continue this topic again. Okay, for discussion. So in that case, only taught. If this topic is covered and finished completely, click and cover. So automatically taught will be marked. Okay, you observe again. If this topic is still in discussion and we're going to be continue in the next session, so only click taught. Okay, but is this topic is fully covered, and in the next session we will take the different topic. So this topic marked as a covered. Now look at, if you click covered, automatically taught will be marked, and click on update. And here we have two options, save and save log. If you save it, so what is the problem with the save? The problem with the save is, suppose let's say you want to see the attendance reports. Okay, go click on employee, syllabus, sorry, academic and attendance report, and see the register. Click on the register, select your subject, VCN, show, but observe that the period sequence here and the date, the 8th, we have already entered 8th July attendance, but it is not reflected in attendance. Why this has happened? Because you have not logged that. Okay, so we have not logged that. So that's why it is not reflected in attendance register. So it is mandatory from your side. It is very, very mandatory that you should lock it very carefully. And then only it is available for defaulter or attendance printing. Okay, go ahead again over there. Academic, scroll, attendance, date is 8th, sorry, at show, marked. Okay, everything is done. Topic I think is covered, update, and please click on save and lock. Fine. Now look out what is the status over here. 8th, show, it shows the lock. Okay, now it's done properly, and here this status, this color coding is represented. The legend is over here, the color coding legend. Okay, now go to the academic attendance report. Now we will see this, whether it is coming or not. Basic networks and show. Look out, observe this. The absent present is done, and Observe this. This is the date, period, sequence number. Okay, and period status. PT means here this is period taken. Okay, the abbreviation given here: extra period, present, absent, self absent, NS is not updated. Okay, like this. So this legend you please refer abbreviations, and again here the total. This is the total presenting for that day. Okay, this is total presenting for that day. Actually, there should be total present student. It is required here. The label. The label is we will suggest them to update this label. So total presentee. Total presentee is 40 out of 46 student. 39 out of 46 student for that day. For that day. Okay. So you can take a Excel file. You can take a print very well and look out this how the report comes. Yes, click here and very systematically it is coming. Okay, right? So I think PDF is also there, but in the PDF we found some discrepancies. So we have suggested. In this way, you marks the attendance. What is header? Header means it is associated with the PICT header. Okay, PICT header. Let's see PICT header report 1. The Pune Institute of Technology, all logos and all this stuff is coming. Okay. For time being, maybe this report is not associated with the your iOS of footer, but very soon that will also be going to be rectified. Okay. So that's it from attendance marking for how to mark the attendance in the WordPro ERP. I think we should stop now. Thank you. Thanks very much.